anticipating this match, diba? You kept mentioning the next round is going to be Davao against Adamson.
Parang na-feel ko na, ito na, bakbakan. And Pao Soriano, ball goes through her for the first time, and Topic, who has been one of the main scorers, gets that through.
Well, you know, I got to talk to Coach Shane Alagao earlier from Davao. And pabati daw, Davao City Water District, the Treasury Division, especially the tellers.
Wow, baka marami utang si Coach o kaya marami pa utang.
Bati daw.
Okay, mga kaibigan natin dito sa Davao. In the meantime, si Coach Shane ang actually men's coach ng Ateneo de Davao. Sabi ko, may problema, difference ba ang pagkakot sa baba? May mga differences, pero it's the same game na.
Oo.
Ball in play, Sangmuang. Tinas ni Irish, who was practicing her spiking. Although the spike, hindi pwede Libero mag-spike. And look at this, Davao ahead by 2.
That's right. It's a good start for Davao. And, you know, I'm sure both teams know the importance of this game. But Adamson, medyo sluggish here in the first set.
Yes. Shakey's, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. They can't bring their B game here. It's got to be the A game.
Yeah.
Makatuna set, and hindi umabot yung gusto gawin ni Raterta.
Oh, and Sangmuang just hit it off the blockers.
Raterta is the ace setter of the University of Mindanao, and this is the team that actually participated in the Frisaa. So they said might as well send the whole team to Manila for the Shakers Billy.
And the good thing they did, at least we get to enjoy their brand of play.
Ang daming talent all throughout the country. Nakikita rin natin yan. Raterta with a reverse set. That is blocked, but they recycle the offense. It's in the air. Alanganin. What happened there, Noreen?
Yeah, Flores and Antipuesto, medyo no communication there. Flores could have gone for it, but, you know, parang last minute biglang, sige, I'll hit it. Very tentative from the start.
Yep. In the meantime, here is Oliveros. Adamson on the defensive, and some tentativeness on the part of Davao here.
You're right. Obviously, they have so much respect for the blocking of a Pao Soriano. So, na medyo nag-iba yung gagawin eh.
Si Pao.
I'm sure a lot of these players dati napapanood ko lang yan. Ngayon nakakalaro na nila.
In fact, when they played that friendly against Ateneo a week back, they lost in 4 sets. But it was a good workout for both teams. Eventually, they beat Ateneo in 5 when the game was actually set. Yung B-League game na. Oh, tusok na tusok. Sangmuang with a nifty, precise spike.
Yeah, and Sangmuang's able to kind of disguise her spikes, no?
That's a good point.
Kala mo, hindi malakas eh. Biglang pipirahin.
Pababa na tusok eh. And Angel Antipuesto unable to handle that. 4-2. Axel is our official outfitter here in the Shakey's B-League.
Good block.
But with a tough set.
The ball.
Oh, easy. Setup job. Hindi. Basa ito. Madali yun. Walang problema sa Adamson yan. Kung ibibigay sa Adamson ng ganyan lang. In the air. Sangmuang rejected. Sabi sa'yo, di babagsak ang bola. Bang! Hindi na i-hook ng tama.
Well, after a slow start, Adamson 5-2.
We do apologies to everybody. I tried that last Wednesday when I played. You know what my niece said? Umuwi ka mag-isa mo.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Umuwi ka mag-isa mo. Oh! Davao's too tight. They're too tight here in the first goings.
Yeah, and to think, no, the first 2 points, they look good.
Yeah, they're too tight here. Let's listen to Coach Shane Alagao.
Wala na nagpalo sa atong purpose, ha? Yung palo doon, easy masyado yung kay Sangmuang. Ha? Pag-pump niya, pagpalo niya open doon, huwag kang magsabay doon. Instead of pag ganun ka, dito ka. Palabas ka kasi pag mag-urong ka doon, magtabunan ka ng blocker. Urong ka dito, kayo ni Angel, easy masyado. 2 beses pasok ka lang. Huwag kang, pagpalo doon, huwag ka lang pa-backward. Ha? Stay ka lang sa 10 lang, Angel lang. Ha? Okay, one shot.
More a reminder of the basics from the coach. And, this team is Davao team made up of players from places like Jose Maria College, the University of Mindanao, the Holy Cross of Davao, and San Pedro College in Davao. And these coaches were telling me, sir, please tell the presidents. I will write to them individually. No, but they're just so happy to be able to have a chance to represent Davao.
Yeah, and be here. I mean, we're happy to have them.
They're playing so well. Nice left-handed stab by guest player Flores.
That's right in the center or the heart of that Adamson defense.
When you're practicing, and this is for the benefit of those who are learning this game, should you learn how to shoot almost now? Kasi sa basketball, you have to learn how to shoot left and right. No? Sa volleyball, ba kailangan marunong ka rin kumaliwa? O, aksidente lang yan.
You're asking the wrong person. I love using my left
No,
hand.
that's why I'm asking you. Did you practice to learn how to use your left hand? Or just game? As someone, of course.
Well, to be honest, when you do walling, di ba? Walling, importante sa
ah.
volleyball player yan. Walling, di ba? You hit the ball off the wall, tapos balik-balik. I used both hands when I was a kid. So, I'm not kid, high school na ako nun And then, in college, na-realize ko, uy, kaya ko pala pumalo.
Weapon pala akong
Weapon
additional.
pala.
Pag naalanganin yung set, sabi kong gamitin.
Exactly.
In the meantime, ang pipwesto to white, you say?
Later, I'll answer your question.
Oh, you will come back to the topic of...
Learning.
Tapos na. Yung tama yun ang sasabihin niya. Actually, hindi na kami kailangan dito. Tama yung sinabi ni Ira. This game will take care of itself. But we'll just guide you through this as this goes along. Let's go back to the topic. Do you have to learn it on purpose, shooting left?
You know, we're talking about it now. You have a great point because I remember there's this Russian coach before. Sinasabihan niya yung mga, like me, I try to use my left. Mawawala ka sa focus He wants you to focus on your right. But personally, I would say you can teach it out of experience. You can teach it kasi you'll never know when you need it.
You shouldn't discourage it when the player tries to do that.
Exactly.
In the meantime, what is not working well for Davao at this point, Noreen?
Well, Davao, parang nag-struggle sila in terms of communication. Their floor defense also kind of a bit slow. Diba? We talked about their strength being they're very industrious, masipag sila. Parang ngayon medyo nag-aalangan sila.
In the meantime, it's now 9-4. UST, of course, brought the Lady Aguilas down back to earth, as they said in the newspapers. Lion Tiger Mosquito Court and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakespeare League. Proudly Philippine-made. Nice fight. Topic. Reception is a problem for Davao.
Oh, diba? Their floor defense right now, it's not really working for them. We always talk about Acton being like the leading scorer. Today, we haven't even mentioned her name.
Yeah, not even.
Diba?
Wala pa siya sa rotation, ano?
And now's her chance.
Finally, nag-swing sa harap Ignatice was practicing her spiking actually. Libero cannot spike, cannot score during the game.
You can dream.
Yeah, but she's a converted player daw, sabi ni Coach Shane. In the meantime, Sheila Pineda without the familiar hairpins on her head today, scoring, making it 11-4.
Yeah, she got a nice tan. Galing sa beach volleyball.
Oh, I can imagine.
Wow, off the block.
I think the recent tournament had LaSalle winning that tournament. May Casas the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. I think it was Aragalan and Abby Marano.
No, Fajardo.
Fajardo, sorry. In the meantime, 12-4.
Now, even blocking working for Adamson, which you mentioned from the start, defense will spell the difference here in this match.
Davao is faced with a challenge here. Kung boxing to, kayang absorbin ng Adamson yung suntok nila.
Yes.
That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work.
So again, the defense, we're gonna sound like a broken record, but the defense really, Davao's just gotta go back to basics, stand
play their game. They gotta play their game.
Don't overthink, diba?
I think so. Anton, got it. Yes. $13-5 is the count.
Well, Adamson contesting that, but it looked good.
Yes, it did. From the from this vantage point. In the meantime, it was UST that first dealt a loss to the Lady Aguilas. That's alanganin lahat yun.
Actually, net violation by Davao.
Oo nga eh.
Sayang, no? I mean, it was already a broken play. Tapos you make the error.
Exactly. UST won 23, 25, 25, 22, 25, 19, 25, 17.
You take that?
Yes, indeed. I'll tell you about that later. Coach Oji Mamon said that they really prepared for Davao that day. I knew it. He was scouting them.
Yeah.
But sneaky.
Fella.
No, we were just talking about the clippings we have of the games just to keep us posted. 14-6. This is not the usual Davao game.
Magaling ka siguro gumawa ng album. Photo album.
Huwag walang bistuhan. Huwag kang ganyan. 15-6. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizzas. Got to be Shakey's.
Well, Adamson is just cruising here in the first set.
Oh. Pao Soriano's hardly broken a sweat actually. Usually at this point, overworked na yan.
Oo.
Ganda sumenyos ni Pao. Ganda na senyos ni Pao. Although they did the senyos niya for the blocking. Ito tayo,
yes.
It's used like for instance, the distribution ng bola. Hindi makaikot yung rotation, hindi makapunta sa ito sa harap, hindi ba? So, meron din nangyayaring ganun, hindi mapuntahan yung mga pamilyar na baril. Samantala si Tapik. Ang hirap lusutan ng depensa kasi well done. Pinapik.
Yun ang tawag na in-underestimate ni Pao Soriano si Tapik.
Nagpakilala po si Tapik kay Pao Soriano. Parang sinabi niya, magandang hapon po, maayong hapon kanina pa nun.
Ito mo yung reaction ni Pao.
Sorry. Ooh, 2 in a row.
Now they're cheering and they're running around. That's Davao that we know.
Usually yan, maingay yan, lively yan. Kaya lahat sila na tao. Saka umiikot para sumir ko, para humabon ng bola yan. Now, Adamson needs a response. They gotta check this one. Well, they do. Well done. It's Sheila Pineda, I believe.
Wow, well played. That was right in between Antipuesto and Agton.
Yun ba yung badminton? Badminton.
Beach volleyball.
Beach volleyball. Alam ni Sheila yun?
Oo. That's why she has a nice hand.
Alam mo, pag galing beach si Pao at saka si Sheila no?
Oo.
Ay, hindi solid ang tama. Makatuno. Sangwang, wisely. Red. Silante over. Naging a little high school volleyball.
Yeah.
No, at that point, no? And I don't say that to demean high school volleyball. It's just that sometimes the game is played that way. Wala sa pwesto lahat.
No, and the funny thing is that tip of Sangwang was nothing...
No, nothing special. Oh, swimming pool time for Adamson as they crawl for the ball. We have hardly mentioned Coach Sherwin Meneses because his team, well, we know they play a good defensive game. No problems there. Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's really proudly Philippine made. Sangmoa, Tinaas. Oh, Flores got the bite.
Oh, nakita niya that hole in the center again, and Pinedo slow to react. But funny, in this match, Davao down by 8, and of that 6 unforced errors, Adamson wala pa.
Controlled ang laro ng Adamson. Very disciplined. Namitin ba? Raperta. Playable. Nice pancake. Oh, sayang.
Hindi sila makaano eh. We covered that game, yung parang may isang team hindi makaangat. Parang they can't
think so.
Make a momentum
shift, no?
Yeah. Hindi nila masustain the score 1-2 points, yun na lang.
That is down.
Oh, going down the line and he pulls it off the block.
My suspicion is that was the Davao San Sebastian game. San Sebastian almost the last game ni Roger Correa yun and just couldn't get the team to start responding. In the meantime, Tinaas, Raterta, Flores. Now they're getting something going.
Yep. Just a 7-point lead. Kala mo, just a 7. 7, malaki pa rin.
I think what Coach Shane Alagao was hoping, uminit may not get the set, but at least some momentum can get that going. Kasi parang ano, no? They're so flat, dead in the water. There's some momentum.
Right, and more running around, more celebrating for Davao.
One more point for Davao. Sherman Menezes most likely will. Most likely, I'm not sure he will, but most likely might request a timeout buzzer.
Yeah, he's not one to wait.
Ooh. The save is a point there. 2013 tally.
That's right. I mean, that's painful. That's a painful service error. Kasi naghahabol ka, tapos magsa-service error
Yeah,
ka.
they suddenly had 5 straight points, and suddenly that was stymied by that service error. Good set of a dig. Of a dig. That is not easy to do.
Yep. Antipuesto just getting it through.
Hindi mo, toss na intindihan ko, pero from a dig, 14 against 20.
Smart.
Ganda. Well done. Si Paat.
She's learning from Pao Soriano. She's gotta play with Pao more often. Ito mo yung twist sa last minute.
Hindi ka sa atin. Mylene Paat with the production there. Oh, hindi nakatusok yung gitna. Hindi nakatusok yung gitna. Saan ang pwesto ng libero na? She playing the wings most likely. 22-14.
Makita ko mag-stop. Abante mo na. Hindi ka gumalaw. Ha? Wala, move ka. Okay, ganito. Paisa-isa lang tayo, ha? Just focus lang lagi sa game. Ha? Tuloy nyo lang, ha? Tuloy, taga sa depensa. Okay, pesto kayo sa depensa para hindi tayo mahirapan. Kasi pag wala kayo sa pesto, malaking area na bakante. Kaya pupestuhan natin para ang coverage natin, kunti lang butas. Ha? Pesto lang kayo, posisyon lang kayo. Pag dalawang laki doon, kaliwin ko sa konti doon. Kontra dito, ha?
Okay, my question now is, coaches always say puesto. Ano nangyayari? Players forget o kuminsan the constant shifting from offense to defensive creates the discrepancy?
Yeah, kasi, di ba, as the game progresses, their movements always
Okay.
So some people, they forget to go back.
And but what gives coaches white hair is pagka yung pinanood lang and the feet are not moving.
Exactly. Parang dapat bumalik ka nga sa pwesto, di ba? I mean, or you have certain defensive formations that nalilimutan mo.
Yeah. Wow, rare moment for someone to mess up a serve.
Yeah. After serving pretty well.
Ako ba na tayo? Well, most of them are. Bumabaw pa sa akin yun.
Oo nga eh.
Yung si Jen Wally. Namimiss ni Jen Wally. Maganda hapon po.
Okay. Yeah, but someone can actually speak a bit Tagalog already. Yep.
Natawa ako ng UAP. Si Cha Soriano nagsalita ng Thai para kay Coach Tay Benguet. Nung in-interview ni Mosi Ravena.
Oo nga, I caught that.
Si Mosi tatawa-tawa sa gitna nun. In the meantime, 24-15.
Nas in.
Tinaas ni Dignadice. That's Irish Dignadice. Ganda pumalo na ito.
Oo.
Pero too many gaps by Davao. They've got to solve that. And it's 25-15. The first blood is drawn by Adamson, and they just played a well-oiled, efficient game.
Yep, it's in the right element. Shaky play. Amanda Villanueva just came in and scored the last point. So, diba, we talk about the sobrang tense ang Davao.
And let's see if they loosen up here in the second set as we get this going. Adamson is on the right of your picture. The Davao Lady Aguilas in yellow on the left side. Raterta with the set. Sangmuang is there for Adamson. Makatuno. Sangmuang powers went up.
Pero nung first set, they did show some moments of
Yes, they nakahabol sila ng konti. They scored 5 straight points when they were down at 18-8.
Yep.
That made it 18-13, but they couldn't sustain it. In the meantime, that is out of reach.
Well, if they can just sustain that, I'm talking about that momentum of Adamson, of Davao, things would look different.
I love this name. Jelly Yampatura. Huwag naman temperatura. No?
Temperatura.
Temperatura. Kasi kung temperatura, ang init talaga.
Oo.
Dapat malamig, naiisip ko. Oh.
Special.
Inabot ni Pao. Sangwang. Buhay pa. Nilipat sa kabila para lumayo sa Blankers. Longest rally. Touch. Touch.
Whoop.
Has to go over. Quick. Just out of position.
Yeah.
That was still reachable, but Acton was curling on the floor, actually. Watch a bit of the action here.
Oh, 1-2 punch of Adamson. If someone can score, Pao Soriano will.
Absolutely.
But speaking of Sangwang, she leads all scorers with 6, Pineda with 4, Flores for Davao with 4, and Antipuesto with 3.
Adamson now ahead, 2-1. Shakey's. If it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Makatuno will be serving. May Jennifer Makatuno.
Yeah, good serve.
Say, naabot na ganun. Talagang hirap control naman. Makatuno with a nice jump set.
Oh, good big.
Kailangan talaga.
Nagalit si Pao. Pati si Pao Soriano natawa eh.
Lilipad si Pao. Huwag kang babalik, bola ka!
Pili ko, pagtalon niya, biglang, hindi ko naman kailangan tumalon.
Di ba? Parang, huwag kang babalik-balik dito sa ball. Oh, airtight, the defense of Adamson. Just airtight.
Oh, this is a full front line for them. You have Cortel, Sangwang, and Soriano.
And we have Concepcion checking in. You were right when you anticipated that she was also the setter of PNP.
Yeah,
Philippine
PNP.
National Police. That played in our second conference.
Yeah, a team wherein Sangwang was actually the guest player also.
Yes. That is outside, and look at this. It's hard when Adamson jumps out in front of you. They're ahead 5-1. Hirap nilang habulin.
Oo. But again, in the first set, ang Davao, nag-show sila ng signs na kaya nila humabol.
Yung rally nila when they were down 18-8, but couldn't sustain it in the meantime. Ooh, wow, Soriano. That is outside. Finally, they get something to go. Okay lang, sumayo ng Davao ng konti rito. Yun, nice block. And it is inside. And bihira magusot ang buhok ni Pao. With a simple wiggle, it went back into place. Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, proud partner of the Shakey's Beauty. Proudly Philippine made.
Simple wiggle. Balik.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
I love watching Pao Soriano. She's so poised and
Yes.
so prim and proper and without... but she's a killer.
She is.
Have you seen her play beach volleyball?
No.
I would love to see her play that, just to see how different it would be. In the meantime, Sangwang, who rejected, tinaasulip, pwedeng paluin, yes!
Tinuntok ni Antipuesto.
Yan ang kulang sa Davao, kulang ng tawa.
Yep.
Eto, makikita mo kung bakit niniti si Antipuesto pagkatapos.
Oh, nakita mo si Paat, naggulat siya. Parang patalon siya pero pag ganyan na.
Oh, ipit.
Ipit.
To be more Filipino about it, kiming-kimi. In the meantime, nice move by Makatuno. The fake set, tapos ni-recycle. Pinaluan ni Cortel.
Yeah.
And Cortel is also one of their guns.
That's right. Sometimes makikita natin nagsuswap ng position si Cortel and Sangwang when Sangwang's in the
I agree, yes.
right side.
Don't forget that for the Shakey's Wheelie, the official outfitter is Axel. Pineda keeps it very much in play. Sheila wanted it back, but it is returned to sender.
Yep. It looks like it didn't go over, pero ang signal ng referee is it was a good block.
And it is currently 4-4 serving against 7. Ratef has been reinserted into the lineup. Yun ang dapat mong habulin ng Adamson at this point. Better blocking by Davao. Better floor coverage as well.
Yep.
Nice drop.
Smart play there by Agton, who has been silent here so far.
Matawan na si Ratef. Nag-enjoy na siya.
Nag-enjoy na sila.
When you start doing things well, you begin to enjoy.
Yeah, because you tend to relax, diba? You relax, and not in a bad way. Relax na you're not playing tight.
Ako feeling ko hindi pa sila napawisan kanina. Ooh, Paat, what did she have in mind?
She medyo na off time siya. She wanted to hit it probably off a blocker. So she punched it and then too much juice there.
3 straight points by the Lady Aguilas, down earlier at 7-3. Temperatura got to it. Tinaas ni Irish. Second touch, it has to go over. Tinaas. To the block.
Yeah, the captain.
Terta na wag sayangin ang bola at bumawi sa second set. Back to you, 7 Noreen.
Exactly what they have in mind here. Now, Noreen, while we have a chance, that is shot out. And it goes to Adamson. Quick difference and quick, A quick and second B quick.
Be quick is when it's like shoot quick eh. Makita mo yung position is hindi sila magkatapat ng setter, medyo may angle.
Okay.
And then yung laging ginagawa ni Paat, that's the be quick.
That's the be
That's
quick.
a perfect example, yung may distance from the setter.
And kung A?
A quick is the normal quick we see, like what Dindin Santiago does, Pao Soriano. No, Pao is normally differential, but the normal quickers, yun yung A quick.
That's a differential. 2 players jumping up and down. That's off the block.
Yeah, and we know Agton's gonna get her numbers.
Somewhere, somehow. It is a close one. 9-8 here in the second set. You just joined us. The first set went the way of the Lady Falcons at 25-15.
Yeah, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna be that easy here in this set.
It's beginning to look that way. Regalo, pero buhay ayaw buksan ang regalo. Alam mo sa alo ng bola, regalo.
Adlib na adlib si isang mongol na sa mga regalo.
Ano ba tugtog? Hello, good morning, sabi ni Papi.
Well, Davao has been successful with all those tips, so now they know their first option. Nakailan tips na sila.
Tapit lang, tapit eh.
Oh.
9 apiece. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakers V League, proudly Philippine made. Huli ka!
Over-received by Sang Muang. Regalo, and they take the lead.
For the first time. 10-9. Sang Muang kneeling down for it.
Jealous lefty.
Pineda, too much sauce.
But Pineda hasn't been able to get her game going also, no? Here in this match.
Parang hindi mabigyan pa ng eksaktong bola, ha? Makatuno will set.
Oh, good coverage.
Better confidence being displayed by Davao. Whoa, boy! I don't believe this. Not against Adamson.
Well, again, they've been successful, and why not?
What's wrong with that? No coverage, nobody covering that area.
Nobody there. Can you see? Until the ball landed, wala pa ring tao.
Parang pinanood yung bagsak ng bola. It's a 12-9 tally. Oh! And the unwanted relative just survived.
You know, which is weird for me kasi ang so far in this match, ang Davao not able naman to get really strong kills eh.
No, not
so
so
bakit
far.
kayong nag-aabang as if papalo silang
Malakas.
Diba?
Sinuhulugan lang kayo eh.
Yes.
No? But Sherwin Menes, nice piece of coaching, did not press the timeout buzzer. Will conserve it. Someone digging deep. Sheila Pineda. Tinaas ni Dignadice.
No relation whatsoever, di
to
ba?
the player. Ang feeling niya, nung nakausap ko siya, baka po distant relative, may mga sini-explain sa connection, hindi naman ako genealogist eh. So, hindi naman ako. But she tried to be nice to me and explain. Because it's our official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Good serve.
Terta. Ang gusto ko sa decision making ni Raterta, kung paano ang bigay ng first ball. Diba kung minsan yung mga reaction ng mga set, pangit naman ng first ball.
Yeah.
Kung pangit, di adjust.
Oo nga. And, I'd like to say always nga first, basta nawala na sa hands ng receiver yung ball, whether pangit o hindi, ano na yan?
Yep.
That's the jurisdiction of the setter.
Yes,
and vice versa. If it leaves the setter's hand, that's already the responsibility of the striker, whether maganda o pangit.
In the meantime, it is 13-12, Davao. Bit of a rally by Adamson, and it'll go Davao's way. It's now 14-12.
That's right. Adamson contesting that, but the referee's call stays.
Nice chat with referee Jess Villarreal, but who's not interested in small talk this afternoon. It's the first referee, the gentleman up top. For Fun Family Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Nicely done.
Watch his man.
Yeah. I like what Makatuno is doing. There's the fake on the set.
Yeah.
You know.
Classic Makatuno.
Ooh, nilusot. 1 point lead by the Lady Aguilas. The whistle already blown.
Oh, tapos nag-strategize pa sila.
Nagkwentuhan muna. Were they thinking back row strike there? I don't know. Doesn't want to go over.
Errors now plaguing Adamson.
Antay na ni siya yung technical catch. Why waste one? Could use it later on if it's really close towards the end. Too close, but Makatuno is there. Better floor coverage by Davao in the second set. Better feeding of Raterta. Sheila has to stretch. Portel. Saka lumuluhod na sa bola ang Davao.
Oo.
Binalik.
Pao Soriano. Just one name. Pao Soriano.
There's some players you can say the last name is kind of the first name. Eliza Valdez. Eliza, pwede na. No? Pao Soriano. It's said in one breath.
Ate Pao, yeah.
Just a poised player, no? She's a joy to watch. Nice roof by the double block.
That's right, that was Pat and Sang Muang. Siguro sabi Sang Muang, bakit pa puro si Pao Soriano?
Kaya ko yan. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Padla tayo sa 15. Race to the 16 mark at Raterta, talking strategy with her teammates. Well done. And the quest of finding a way to get her team 15. Glad you're with us. The Davao Lady Aguilas trying to march into the semifinals to mark at a very, very significant run. No team has reached the semifinals so far of the V-League. It's in the air. Sang Muang rejected.
That's right, that was Antiquest and Oliveros.
What is Davao doing a little better compared to the first set?
You actually mentioned it. Their defense has been working, no? Hindi lang namamatay ng basta-basta. We talked about their strength and pre-game coverage, and they are actually using their strength.
Parang na-introduce ang Adamson sa real pace ng Davao, but that is a little too long, a little haste, making waste. But wait. Referee Villarreal called something. And it's actually going to Davao.
Yeah, check ball.
Check ball. Yun pala, 18-15, tatlong lamang. Close to the net. Makatuno adjust. Pa got it at the top of the net. They were hoping for a touch of the net call. It won't happen.
Well, she touched kasi the lower part of the net, hindi yung tape. So that's a good ball.
Okay, good point. Now that you mention it, it's 18-16, but of course Davao was hoping, and that would not be so. Ignatice. It is double blocked. Recycling the offense. Long. Ano nangyari?
Net violation called on Pineda. Sayang, no? Kung ganyan kalong.
Both sides getting net violations.
Oh, at least Davao holds on to a 3-point lead.
Oh, at the critical part of the match. It is a
wow.
awkward free ball. Hello. Outside.
Finally, you know, funny, Adamson gets a call, benefit of a call. They have been contesting some calls, but at that point we gotta credit Katuri Sangmang for that.
And they're within striking distance, down 17-19.
Villanueva.
Some serve. Inside. They got something out of that one. A tense moment for Villanueva. She held her breath.
Yeah. I thought it was going out.
Well, tingin ko rin out yun, but the referees, the linesman was there. Sherwin Meneses has been a cool dude so far. Yan siguradong out.
Hindi na nag-adjust eh. Yun yung mali ni Amanda Villanueva.
Parang same strength, no? Almost, in fact, baka mas stronger pa nga eh.
In fact, baka out pa yung kanina.
Oh, well. Move on. This game is called, the subtitle of where it all started is Move On.
Yeah.
Pineda, di pinalo na solid. No chance to really connect. Makatuno. It'll go the other way as that is off a Davao player.
Very honest tong si Agson eh. But si honest naman siya sa coach, check.
Parang coach, okay na kami. Lepong Pasil is in. 20-19 serving against 20 here. Boy, if you're Davao, you don't want to lose the set.
Oh yeah. And give Adamson a 2-0, 2 sets to none advantage.
Although historically against Perpetual, they were down 0-2 in the number of sets. They lost the first 2 sets, and they came back to win the last 3. In the meantime, 21-19 now as Davao reobtains the serve.
Yeah, and you predicted, diba, Sam?
No.
9 sets tied.
9 sets, was it? 9.
May 4 na.
Okay. Oh, well done. But if you're Adamson, you don't want to give Davao any chance here.
Oh yeah, we've seen the way they play, and we know what they can do.
Pag naging masyadong masaya itong mga to, tinaas. Calmly picked up by Sheila Pineda. Ooh. Pineda has to extend herself. Sangmang!
Oh, good dig.
Ay. Looking 3 ball. Sangmang, same direction, same result.
Oh, si Oliveros, no? Been digging.
Oh, sige. Diyan ka. Sabi ni Ratero. Binalik. Pinas. Soriano. Kailangan paluin to.
Oh. Long rally.
Longest.
Yeah! One name. Pao Soriano.
21 apiece. Why not?
Okay, 1 stop lang, ha? Okay, isang receive lang, ha? Isang receive, kanyang play. Ha? In. Tapos play. Okay, pag magpalo, si Minos, cooperate. Ha? Cooperate. Yung isa ba iwan dito, wiper sa likod. Okay. Ha? Saka lang sa blocker, susunod na doon. Ha? Soriano. Ha? Pauna ka. Go!
Oh boy, 1 name.
Pao Soriano. No, but we gotta give credit to the defense of Davao. Prior to that, skill.
Both sides.
Haba.
Taba, no? Hindi yung patikik, tiki-taki, ano? Talagang paluan.
Oo.
Parang sa boxing, hatawan talaga. Ay, ginaas. You gotta hold if you're Davao. Well done by Adamson. Soriano, long and out.
That's right. She wanted to go for an angle, but too much. Too much twist.
Number 8 of Davao makes an appearance. This is Mary Grace Verde.
We know why. Obviously, blocking.
Masyado na marami nakakalusot, ano? Lion, Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol, a proud partner of the Shakey's Wheelie, proudly Philippine made. That is through the block.
Yan ang bawi. Diba, kita mo sa follow-through na talagang itutul off the blocker.
And you credit the tosser, the setter. I'm giving it back to you. Make up for it.
Well, Makatuno serving.
Oh, well done.
Boy, that's a partnership between Soriano and Sang Muang working wonders for Adamson.
The Thai Philippine Friendship League is doing well. Oliveros back in for Berte.
Boy, that's already nakaka-breathe ng Adamson.
They got the lead at the right time.
Good thing.
Oh, their defense holding now. Sang Muang. Oh, that was a check ball. And suddenly Adamson is at set point.
Okay, kaya lang kayo. Ang bola nung ano, cross lang yun. Cross. Yung middle nyo. Cross. At saka lang double block lang lagi, Huwag nyo hayaan sila mag-follow na isang block lang. Dalawang lang. Kaya yung sa pure defense lang sila lang. Okay. Wala pa yan, Wala pa yan. Isang receive lang, isang receive. Isa patay. Yan, Kayo pa yun,
Ang approach ni Shane Alagao is the positive, ano? Accentuation niya lagi. His accent is on the positive for his team to recover quickly. I know it is at set point, but he says, okay, wasn't patay.
Wala pa yan. A slow crawl, but Adamson has set point.
May Makatuno. Good. Sheila's been a wall. Regalo.
Oh, good dig.
Sarado.
Easy ball na to.
Tinaas. Missed it. But what a break. What a break for Davao.
That's right. That was a very lazy get by Lebum Fasil. One hand kasi.
Watch.
Time out.
Yes.
Look at that.
Tuwa si. Let's.
Ito, you want 5 or 3? 3? Okay. Back. Wow. Pitoy 3, man's open. At pagka walang receive, kanto-kanto lang. Mans, paluin mo na dito. Maraming cover. Magsi 3, mag-open. So, 4 ang receiver niyan. 4.
Full confidence.
Yep.
Full confidence in their system, no?
Very clear, no?
Palo lang kasi may 4 dito. What you always want is when there's somebody spiking, somebody's there, just in case it gets blocked, somebody to cover it. You know you coverage it.
Yep. Like you gotta love the play, no? Quick, patong.
Playable.
Yep.
Ignadice, Terca. The load up, return. Anton is there. Change of angle. Under pressure, firing that. Ignadice says, give me what you got.
Oh, over.
But Davao falling now behind. 2 sets to love. Adamson holding, despite the fact that Davao was leading for the most part.
Yep. I mean, that was a sad last part because na overset and Villanueva takes care of that. But Well, you gotta give it to Adamson. We said yung tenacity ng Adamson is their strength, and they're playing on their strength.
And they now lead 2 sets to love. They took the first 25-15, 25-23. Shakey's shake and play sends us into waiting for the... Even for the timeout.
Yeah.
Yeah, we allowed the other timeouts to just happen. In the meantime, okay, let's see if Davao, keep in mind, they have a history of being able to come back from 2 sets down. I talked to, I think, their manager, no? Who
Okay.
said, yeah, he was smiling. Is that Obet? And he was smiling and he said,
Abet Fernandez.
and he was hoping that they would be able to, you know, recover like they did against Perpetual. They were down 2 sets to love.
Oh, but of course,
This is a different cap that they have to skin here.
that is true. And leading scorers here for Davao, Agton with 7, Topic with 7. For Adamson, Sangmang with 9, and Pineda with 6.
Tinas ni Raterta.
With a smile.
Yes, indeed. Hulog. Yun, basta yun nga sila ngayon.
And you know, ang nawala actually dun sa second set,
Ah.
their drops.
Oo nga, no?
Di ba?
Oo nga.
Nakailan sila in the first
Oh.
set.
Oh, they got sucked into a slapping match, no?
Yeah.
Parang hindi si Tapik, tapik-tapik ni Tapik kanina, hindi niya na nagawa, hindi nakapunta na sa kanya.
Oh.
Boy, then Soriano just took over here. Raterta will be serving for the Lady Aguilas who have jumped out in front 2 to love.
Good start. Again, let's hope they can maintain.
Here comes that relative.
Yeah. Ay.
Bakit sabi ng iba, bakit relative? Yan ho, yung kamag-anak na may family party there, yung kamag-anak na ayaw nyo dumating, hindi nyo na nga imbita, dumating pa rin.
Oo. Siya pa yung madami kakainit, tapos may take off.
Para may sasabihin pa pagkatapos.
Ang great take.
Takas na, takas na pagkakabit. Sangwang. Raterta has been everywhere. Aha! Nalusutan! Ohoy! Nag-enjoy yung hali!
Oo. Siyempre, ano yan? Former captain ng Thai national team.
Oo, nalusutan niya. Sabi ko sa mga gotcha. Got me. Running serve. Dumante Ale. Dumante Ale.
You see her react now. May pump pa siya. Fist bump.
Marunong din ho ako sa muntok.
Muay Thai. Labo.
The martial art of the 8 limbs ang Muay Thai. Uy!
What was that? Yan ang husband and wife kasi talaga. Ito, pagtinginan ko.
Tininan talaga. Biglang takilo. All. Shakey's if it's one family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Raterta. 1, 2. Here's the third stab. That is the check ball.
Yeah.
Huwag niyong gagamitin sa Sangwang.
Parang no, nakita mo yung reaction niya.
Yeah.
Parang,
You got me, natuwa ka. That's enough.
I'm up to 1.
That's it. This is not about you, it's just personal. You know?
It's not you, it's me.
Yes. My pride at stake. In the meantime, it was outside.
So, you know, Sam, si someone always plays friendly. No?
Yes,
Matalo,
hindi.
manalo, friendly
yeah.
siya.
Hindi yung angas na wala sa lugar na some we've seen some guest players na ganun, but someone is a darling actually.
Pero grabe pala pag naproprovoke, no?
Sabi pa, sabi mo nga, kapitanan. Papalo yun. Hindi ba kung ako si Makatuno doon, ako pupunta buong hapon.
Oo.
Dignavisa keeps it airborne. Sa kabila, ay! Walang kalundag-lundag. Alam niya. Nalilit ka na.
Baka na-intimidate siya ni Sangdo. Sabi na kanina, di ba?
Tingin ko wrong foot and take off. Marami, kung minsan, when you spike, as we mentioned, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol proud partner of the Shakey's, really proudly Philippine made yung when you're thinking too much.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, that's what happened eh. Too many visions came into her mind.
Yeah, because alam mo, yung depensa biglang lumuwag sa kabila. Bubutasin ko to eh. Okay, they gotta settle down. It's 6-4 Adamson. nagkagulo. And Adams just capitalizing on the lapses of Davao.
Yep, nakita natin, no, in that play, Amanda went through, Davao kept doing yung sungkit lang ng
So
sungkit.
baka hala na, baka tumaas.
Sana pwede pa rin two hands di ba?
They kept pushing it up, and they gotta give a free ball here. No choice. Chance now for Adamson to score, but it's too much power. Ooh, binigyan siya po.
Net violation!
And,
Ibigay ang team effort back to you guys.
well, that's the essence of what they need right now,
Yeah.
actually. Thank you, Ira. And it is 8-4. They peeved Sang Muang, and she's been firing at all cylinders ever since. Do not celebrate on my at my expense. Hala, that's
May
it.
naisip akong line,
Ano?
don't make me angry.
Not
You
today.
wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
You wouldn't like me. Yeah. Of course, from the Incredible Hulk. Back row, tinaas niya ang tipuesto.
Oh. A bit of
Not
sloppy play.
Not exactly as I said. Tatawa rin siya eh. Madulas feeling niya.
Iba yung twist ni Amanda nun, ah.
Oh! Sarado pinto!
Yeah, but diba, we were mentioning earlier, nawala yung discard ng Davao. Wala tao yun.
Yep. Adamson, don't forget, they marched into the Final Four also of the UAAP. Just didn't get past Ateneo then. Nadisa. Adamson is a gritty team.
Oh! Oh!
Ay, hindi lang na itaas. And paat yun.
Sayang.
She lost her feet underneath.
Yeah.
Nawala yung, she felt it eh. Whoa, why am I falling? Diba?
Never gusto ko yung dive ni Pineda kasi parang binalik talaga niya eh.
Well, it happens in volleyball.
Yeah.
It's 9-5. It's 9-6.
That's right, ace service.
But what has been remarkable about Adamson is the way they've survived and weathered several crises during the game. Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's B League. Proudly, Philippine males. May lugan. Linis na pagkakahulog, 10-6.
Well, in terms of blocking, Adamson's out-blocking Davao 15% as compared to only 5.
Hasn't been a weapon really for Davao. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B League. Villanueva, Pignadice, Antipuesto, Raterta, Agton.
Redwell.
I don't think that will work anymore.
Oh,
Pignadice is out of position.
that's right. But that was a great over by Pineda. Look, yung momentum niya pa left side, pinalo niya pa right side. Na off tuloy si Pignadice.
After being ahead slightly at 5-4, they struck together 4 points. They're now ahead 11-6, and Davos just crumbling here.
Yep, and free ball.
And Paat, her confidence growing with every passing toss.
Well, you gotta give it to Adamson. Their defense is working. So Makatuno has all the time in the world to set to whoever she wants to.
At ang gusto ko sa coaching ni Shane Alagar, kasi walang sisihan. Na hindi siya, kasi sinabi ko sa'yo, kasi di ba usapan natin ganito? Siya hindi, okay, 1 point. Sige,
Yeah.
huliin natin to.
Very cool, sabi mo nga.
To the other end. Si Sheila, biglang gumanda rin yung laro.
Oh. Oh.
Sakto yun.
Right, down the line, nobody home. But this is still, possible, no?
Reachable yan.
Reachable.
Kailangan dumipensa sila. Bumalik yung depensa nila ng second set.
Reachable like the star. The reachable star.
You wanna be poetic, you wait, huh?
No, that's a song.
Okay.
Your song.
Same. In the meantime, Paat with a big smile.
Yeah, easy tip there.
A man's dream must extend his reach, or else what is a dream for? Diba? Sorry.
Nice! I love that.
Gandun lang ako. Because the official ball of the shake is really... The Davos dream must not end here. Ooh.
Oh.
14-7.
I got one line.
Yeah, go.
Love is just a word until you find a person to give true meaning to.
Very good. Sabi ng mga tao sa Facebook,
read about that.
sa ating sumusunod sa ating stream, will you two stop doing your Hallmark greeting cards thingy there? Kayo naman. Oh, Sheila Pineda, love is lovely the second time around. And she knocks that down.
Sabi nila, anong kinalaman na ng volleyball? Sorry, apology.
Everything.
Okay, wala tayong receive. Wala tayong receive. Isang magandang receive lang para makapis ko yung setter, mabigay maayos yung striker. Okay, huwag lang kayo magpanik ha. Laro lang guys ha. Bawal pa, wala pa yan ha. Laro lang. Bawal tayo ha. Gandahan lang isa. Okay. Wala tayo receive.
Okay, that's Sheila Pineda knocking that down. If Adamson wins, they get sort of a foot in, just slightly, but they're not yet in,
Not sure because Davao 1-2, Ateneo 1-2, they will be 1-1. So that's crucial also yung game nila against
UST.
Yeah.
UST is the one that's in the semifinals already.
Yes.
That's out of reach, and it is now 15-8.
Well, again, no, it's still possible, but Davao's got to start now.
Gotta start cooking.
Yeah.
To win also. That second set, I thought they'd break through Anori.
Yeah, I mean, we kept saying that they can maintain some sort of momentum kasi we see it they'll play well, but they just can't maintain it. Pero we have to give it to
Adamson. I think what Adamson did very well here so far. And oh, look at that. Even that break. And Sheila's going to have a back. That's going to break their hearts. What Davao, rather what Adamson has done very well is to take Davao out of their game. Inalis nila yung strengths ng Davao. That's in. Oh boy. Nothing is working.
Wala na. Parang they lost heart na. No? Talking about Davao. Parang they're looking at the score as if it were 24 to 8. So again, we'd like to tell people, those watching, that in every game, it's not over till the fat lady sings. Free ball pa.
Davao will have...
Wow!
Wow. In the meantime, Pao Soriano.
You gotta give it to that acrobatic save ni Pineda.
Yes, indeed.
Oh!
I think the fact that well, sorry to Miss Oliveros, but she really got the goat of someone here. And when someone saw that, you will never rejoice again. I'm not gonna be happy at night.
Your life will never be the same.
I am going to be your worst volleyball dream. 20-8. This and rare mistake by the Lady Falcons. This is Adamson close to their best. Not their best, but close. Yung airtight yung depensa.
That's right.
You better bring your A game. So the next opponent for Adamson is UST.
Yes, that's on Thursday.
Okay.
And he goes up against CSB.
CSB to close out the round. So Davao ends up. Looks like they're gonna wait. In a way, no? Because magkakaroon ng tie somewhere. Or is Davao? Davao's not yet out.
Well, I heard a possibility is if Davao loses in straight sets, which
Apparently is going to.
yeah, unless they can pull off some miraculous points. Yeah. If they lose in straight sets, I think they're out. Because the worst that can happen is Adamson will tie with Davao with 1-2, diba? Let's say they lose to UST. And win over the other, panalo ang Adamson. So Davao should be out. Correct. Well, anyway, let's just read about it. Just
Okay.
read about it.
21-10, and it all depends on how this game ends actually.
Yeah, and Galanza and Emnas in to finish this game.
Not there today for Davao. Not there. At saka alam mo, meron din credit to Sherwin Meneses. Nabasa rin nila ang Davao. They were prepared for this. They knew the strengths, which Oji Mamon did also when they faced Davao. Ryan Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakers Wheelie, probably Philippine made. You know, you got to bring something new. So adjustment is also critical in coaching.
Yeah, in every game, you know, that's why scouting is key also, no?
Yeah, but Coach Shane is just eternally such an optimistic person.
Yeah, but you know, whatever happens, we were really proud of this Davao
Davao,
squad.
I hope they come back.
Yeah.
I hope they get invited again. Nice block. Pao Soriano rarely blocked, but his check there. It's 21-13.
And that's not easy. That was a single block.
Coverage, yeah.
Oh. Yep, great serve. Chance ball.
Flores.
Oh!
Someone, what a game.
Stop! Roof! You name it.
Bobong, Pader, Halige, lahat. Hagdado.
Basang-basa. Look at their angle, no? Nabasa talaga
You
niya.
could have gone transport, no? But wala na volleyball is a game of commitment, eh.
Oh.
Nobody hands in the air forever, so you gotta make a decision quick. Alam mo, hanggang it's not the way, how long you stay in the air, how long before it takes before you go down.
Yes.
Oh, they got that one request that makes it 21-14. 22-14 rather.
Well, again, it's still possible.
But it'll have to be
Nothing special.
special. I think the undoing of Davao here is a 3-set loss. I think that will be the
Boy, even that was easy coverage.
After switching, para hindi kayo mahuli sa blocking, puro na kayo dito, puro na sa side. Para pag set sa 4, hindi na kayo maghabol mag-step. Diretso na kayo block. Pag mag-switch, galing service, pag switch, diretso agad sa pesto. Para pag ibigay sa open or 4, andun na kayo sa pesto. Hindi na, dikit masyado kayo sa gitna. Pag bigay sa 4, mag-move pa kayo. Malay tayo, ha? Okay, sige lang, ha? Sige lang.
Okay, 23-14. And finishing touches for Adamson, most likely. Ako, sayang yung second set. I think that was where Davao may have lost their verve in the game.
Yeah. Parang that was theirs to lose and they lost it.
Yes. It would have been a different game had they taken that second set. It would have re-energized them, you know. They had a very bad first set, which ended at 25-15. That's long.
Oh, Galanza. That error.
Shakey's is the place to go to. If it's fun family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. 23-15. Oliveros. Oh, but that's inside and it is not match point.
Oh, we keep saying it, no? Si Paat has really learned how to make do with sets that are not
Yeah.
just
Dati,
perfect.
hindi niya alam gagawin din.
Oo. Error yan, di ba? Ngayon, no?
That's a little training and seasoning, a lot of seasoning can do, no? And it's playing. Out. And we're done.
Oh,
25-16 is the final count. A masterful job by the Adamson Lady Falcons and an excellent run by the Davao Lady Aguilas, and they may not march into the next round, but it's been quite a stint for them. And that's our Shaky Shake It Play. We'll send you into a break before we introduce our